Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video. For today's video, we'll be talking about painting this character using different styles. So our character is not complex. I've gone ahead to color it, draw and color it. Let me remove all the colors. You could see we have just the line. It was a sketch and I made it clean and have the line. So this is just the sketch. There's a base color, then I add my other colors on top of it. I want to work first on the robotic arm. So I select a layer, add the clipping marks, and I will color this. So I'm going to select a color closer to this. Since I'll be working on the shade, I'll make it a bit dark. You can make your selection with your selection tool. From our selection is made, so we fill the color. This style we are going for is the cell shade style. Simple to color. You can refine any other places you feel need refinements with your brush tool. We do the same for the clothes too. We select a darker color and we just mark out where we feel we think there will be shadow. If the light is casting from this direction, the shadow will fall back here. So we select places we feel there will be shadows, not forgetting our hand. And because they are on the separate layers, I can just select without considering the edges. A good thing, if I feel this color is not dark enough, I could darken it. Alright, there you go for the shade. There are many ways I would have done this, but this is just like the simplest form. No, this is not the simplest form, but I just needed to show you this way to show you the default way we go about it. Other times I will just use the color and do a multiply and it gives me the same result, but I needed to show you this method of selecting colors and doing the shade. So let's move to the lights. We do same for the cloth, the same thing. We select a brighter color. This is our cell shade style. You could go a bit extra by adding a secondary color. Let's just do that, and it's good to add it on the shades. We'll add highlight and secondary color too. You always add your lights, second lights, on the shade, the dark place. There you go. This is my first color style. That's the cell shade. We shall be exploring other styles as well. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when the other parts of this video and any other cool video comes out. You can also leave a comment below on the comment section and let me know your thoughts and what you would like me to create. And until then, stay blessed, my friends.